This next upcoming week in crypto could honestly change things around for the market. October obviously did not go as planned, and honestly, Toshi family, I'm on the same board as you. A lot of the things in the market within the last month has been boring. There has been too much hype around the crypto markets, and this month is going to go down, in my opinion, as a month where you should have been accumulating. As the markets are reversing right now, we're seeing Ethereum over 4,000, we're seeing Bitcoin over 115K. Things are looking good again. There's a lot of news that could potentially roll out in this week, and we're going to be taking a look at it. We're also going to be taking a focus on Toshi, as we do every other day here on this channel. Guys, we rotate. We cover Toshi one day, Turbo another day. If you appreciate this daily consistent uploads, 2 to 3 videos every single day, you are in the right place. Make sure you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so YouTube pushes it out to the algorithm just a little bit more. Guys, we've been posting videos now for almost 2 years. I think in March of 2026, it will be 2 years consistently of daily uploads. So if you're in the right place for crypto, then smash that like. Also, 20K subs, guys, we're doing a $2,000 giveaway. So yeah, free money. Who doesn't love it? Let's get right into today's video. We're going to be starting off with the overall crypto market right now. I know my hair kind of looks like a mess right now. Excuse that. But Bitcoin right now holding at 115K. Ethereum holding just under 4,200. Fear and Greed Index is about to reset. Fear and Greed Index is about to go into neutral levels. And the fact that we are getting close to neutral levels and the prices are this low is a pretty good sign, guys. I do believe we are going to see some massive growth, some massive runs in this next coming week. Overall market cap is sitting just below $4 trillion. And we're going to start it off by taking a look at next week's schedule, okay? So next week's schedule for crypto does seem very, very optimistic, does seem very bullish. You guys can see here, Monday, QT ends, quantitative tightening ends, okay? Tuesday, FOMC rate cuts are probably going to come out. Tuesday is the 28th. Yeah, the 28th. Wednesday, the Fed is going to print $1.5 trillion. Thursday, the US-China deal should come to an end. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Friday, S&P 500 earnings come out. Saturday is the tariff deadline. The biggest bull run in history starts tomorrow. And then Sunday, what do we have? Well, on Sunday, your boy is flying out to Spain. Guys, I'm doing a cheeky little trip here. Obviously, I'm still going to be uploading, but the videos will probably just be a little bit pre-recorded. So keep that in mind, fellas. They are going to be pre-recorded, so you may not get up-to-date, like, on-the-spot news. But yeah, your boy's going to Spain, Andorra. We're doing France, and I'm doing Monaco. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Make sure you guys leave some comments down below of where you think I should visit if you are familiar with those areas. Now, this lineup is absolutely explosive. Every macro domino is about to fall in a single week. Now, we've always been saying this. The macroeconomic factor is what has caused the market to dump within the last month, mainly because of Trump, right? Nothing else is just besides Trump. Technically, everything was looking fine. We were supposed to, technically, as well as technical analysis wise, hit new all-time highs, run in October. October was supposed to be a bullish month, like we've seen before. But obviously, Trump had other ideas. He, posed those tariffs on China, based on something that China posed on every other country. So quantitative easing ends means liquidity floodgates open. Rate cuts mean capital rotation accelerates. $1.5 trillion printed means inflation hedge assets ignite, right? So more money is going to flow into risk on assets that beat inflation, and some of those are obviously something like Bitcoin. US-China deal risk on sentiment returns. S&P earnings plus tariffs equal volatility climax. If all this unfolds as scheduled, we're not just looking at a bounce, we're looking at the ignition of the next global bull cycle. Macro plus liquidity plus narrative equals a perfect storm for Bitcoin. So again, if all the dominoes fall, guys, if everything plays out as it's supposed to, fingers crossed, right? Obviously, very, very, very slim chance of it happening. Things could look optimistic and bullish again towards the beginning of November, and we are positioning ourselves for a very, very good Moonvember or Movember, Upvember, whatever it is that you guys want to call it. And a play that obviously I'm keeping a very close eye on for the month of November is Toshi. Now, Toshi, the face of base, sitting at $330 million market cap, up actually a pretty good amount, right? In the last week, up 8.27%, which is actually pretty phenomenal, because I remember this project at 280. I remember at 300 million. I was saying it's a good entry, right? And if you buy it at 280 million, the fact that you'd be up $50 million market cap right now, $50 million in terms of market cap right now, it's pretty insane, guys. And if you were someone who was buying at the lows here, you do need to understand that compared to a lot of other meme coins, a lot of other base plays, Toshi did not even drop that far. And again, I think it's pretty obvious who the face of Base at this point is, because Base Brett is a project that ran up to about $2 billion market cap, right? $2.1 billion market cap. If it went all the way up to 2 billion and it's at 300 million now, and Toshi barely touched $1 billion market cap, I think the highest we got was 940 million. If Toshi was able to do, if Brett was able to do that, what makes you guys think that Toshi isn't able to do so? Again, a $2 billion market cap for Toshi, I feel like, is achievable in this bull cycle. And that's me kind of being conservative at the same time, right? So keeping that in mind, guys, let's go to deck screen over here. You can see here how it bounced off of that support area really, really well. Now, this is a support area that was drawn by me a very, very long time ago, mixed in with that upward trend that we've been having since the beginning of January, guys. It all just makes sense, right? These small little technical, when you know how to do technical analysis, just mark off support and resistance areas, mark off supply and demand areas on higher time frames, and then you scale down into smaller time frames. You guys could actually position yourself and get solid entries into these markets. And if you want to figure out how to do this, guys, because this isn't hard, I'm gonna be honest with you, this isn't hard. But if you want to figure out how you guys could go about and do this, guys, make sure you check out the Memecoin Mastery. This is my private Discord where you guys get access to exclusive content, right? You guys get access to be a part of a community of investors who are all after the same goal. You get my buy and sell calls, which is what majority of people join for. And honestly, I'm going to be completely transparent. October, we haven't made too many calls, but the calls that we did make, people went on to make 300% gain and 400% gains off of those calls, right? So people crushed it. People still made money, and that is what we are here for. Obviously, guys, past profits don't guarantee future results, but nonetheless, people have been crushing it in there, and I want you guys to be able to do the same thing. So if you want to join, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. Memecoin Mastery link will be down in the description below. If we take a look, again, Toshi, Memecoin on base, solid. Make sure you guys are following them on X. Last 3 times Toshi broke this resistance, it pumped 27%, 49%, and 40% respectively. Now imagine coupling that in with the bull market that we are about to experience very, very soon. Sometimes in life, the right opportunity is right in front of you. You just have to recognize it and make your move. I saw it, I acted. Shout out to this guy over here, putting his money where his mouth is. Just bought $51 million, 51 million Toshi, worth about 40,000 USD, which is absolutely crazy. Shout out to this guy. He's obviously very bullish on Toshi, and I could respect that. Toshi's next move will be the next best move, Toshi's next move will be the best move. I really do hope so, because I know a lot of the people in the markets right now are getting tired of waiting, but your persistence, your patience will pay off. If you guys did go on to enjoy this video, obviously smash the like, fellas, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and educate you guys, and if that has worked, then hey, awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, family, for watching today's video. Yeah, road to 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out, fam.